Mangroves are special plants that can live in a fluctuating salinity changes environment. Mangroves have the ability to tolerate the extreme environment through their adaptation to excrete salt and have a unique root system. Not just mangroves, organisms that live in the mangrove also are strong and tough to fight the salinity changes. Mangroves are known as spawning, breeding, and nursery ground, making the mangroves have high biodiversity of fauna. One of the faunas that are capable to adapt and survive in such extreme environments are gastropods. The most common species found is Telescopium telescopium. The abundance and distribution are influenced by environmental factors, food availability, predation, and competition. Environmental changes can affect the diversity and community of gastropods. Gastropods are important for protein sources, raw material for industry, and act as biological indicators. Healthy environments will have happy gastropods. However, in the last 5 decades, the areas of mangroves are getting smaller and making the gastropods lose their habitat. Many factors contribute to the loss of the mangroves, such as urban development, agriculture, aquaculture, and tourism. But increases in temperature, carbon dioxide, precipitation, storms, and sea level rise are said to be continuous mangrove threats. With the ability to store huge amounts of carbon, mangrove forests are key weapons in fighting against climate change. By protecting mangroves, we can help protect the future of our planet. Let's join the mangrove replanting volunteer and be the mangrove warrior.